Welcome to the new SimpleAI dashboard.
SimpleAI is an accounting agent that helps to read financial documents, connects to your existing accounting software, and cut down errors to save your time so that you can focus on growing your business.
Today, I'll be showing you how to navigate through our new interface and cover some key features, including document processing and user management. When you first log in, you'll see your main dashboard with key stats and activities. To get started, you'll need to set up a company. Go to Admin Management, and under Manage Companies, click Add a Company. Select your preferred accounting software, such as Xero, QuickBooks, or InvoiceNow, and log in to connect. Once linked, SimpleAI will automatically sync your chart of accounts and start learning from your past records. Next, you can invite your team members under Manage Users. Click Invite Users, fill in their details, and assign roles like admin, user, or client. Once they accept the invitation, they'll gain access based on their permissions. Now let's upload your first batch of documents. Go to the Upload Files page, choose your company, and drag and drop your files. You can also upload multiple files at once. And don't forget to enable the Smart Split toggle if you're uploading a single file with multiple invoices, so that SimpleAI can automatically detect and split them for you. Once your files are processed, go to Processed History to review them. SimpleAI automatically pre-fills your document and transaction details, but you can edit any fields if needed. When everything looks good, select your files and click Publish to send them to your accounting software. SimpleAI can also help you to convert PDF bank statements to a bank feed format or help you do your bank reconciliation. For a step-by-step guide, watch our separate video on bank reconciliation. You can also make customization requests using the custom prompt feature here. If you'd like to learn more about how to use it, check out the separate video guide. And if you ever run into any issues, you can submit a support ticket directly from the dashboard. Our support team will respond quickly, and you'll be notified by email once there's an update. Our new dashboard is also equipped with the latest approval workflow feature, which allows you to route documents through several levels of review before publishing. To learn more about this feature, you can click on the video attached. Last, you can also manage your subscriptions from our dashboard. Under Subscription Management, you can easily track or update your plan. And that's a quick overview of the new SimpleAI dashboard. For more tutorials or support, you can anytime contact our support team via email.